want to do is sing, and I want to really be able to follow I want to follow your hands.
All right.
I want to be able to stay conscious of what your hands are suggesting while I sing.
All right.
You wouldn't read my letter if I wrote you. You asked me not to call you on the phone. But there's something I'm meaning to tell you. So I put it in the words to my song.
There you move right up that way.
Now right there, I'm following you here, and I feel like I'm setting here, right as I moved up a little bit.
All right, let's see if you did. Now go on and sing.
It wasn't God who made honky-tonk angels, and I might have known you'd never make a wife. You gave up the only man who ever loved you, and went back to the wild side of life.
No, you weren't quite moving over here. See? Feel the weight in your arms?
Yes, I do.
See, that's all heaviness that you really don't need. And you're going to get rid of it as this moves a tiny bit. So this can begin to move. And as it does, it comes up this way. What does that feel like?
Just easier all through here, across my chest.
Yes, it's your breathing.
Yeah.
It's your breathing. All right, now go on.
I'm noticing that even when I think about starting, I can sense a little set, and that's what I want to avoid.
Yeah, well, I'm going over to the other side in a minute.
Okay.
Now,
The glamour of the gay nightlife has lured you to the places where the wine and the liquor flow.
there you go.
There you wait to be anybody's baby. You gave up the truest love you'll ever know.
What does that do for you?
Well, I think it freed my voice some. It certainly it was easy to sing, and I felt like there was a lot more volume. Normally, if I were to produce that much sound, it would be a strain.
Mm-hmm.
It seemed like the sound just kind of arrived.
That's right. Because all of this upper part of your body is following your head while you're singing. It's doing this, and that's the way you get your breathing.
Thank you.
All right?